When you search for the best body lotions for crepey skin, everything looks the same. Same promises, same packaging. But to find what truly works, you have to look a little deeper. Product number 1, Hemp's Age-Defy Lotion. First up is the Hemp's Age-Defy Body and Hand Lotion. Priced at $17.79, this lotion caught my eye with its promise of lightweight hydration and a great scent. If you want quick absorbing moisture that helps improve the look of crepey skin, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This lotion features natural hemp seed oil and vitamin E, which boost firmness and elasticity in your skin. It's packed with skin-strengthening botanicals like shea butter and aloe, which means it doesn't just hydrate but also deeply nourishes your skin. With a rating of 4.7 stars from over 14,100 reviews, it seems to have made a lot of people happy. The lightweight formula absorbs quickly, so you won't feel greasy after applying it, perfect for daily use. Now, some people complained about the scent being a bit too strong. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a lotion that not only hydrates but also makes you smell fantastic, this might not be a deal breaker. Just keep in mind that fragrance sensitivity can vary from person to person. This is perfect for you if you want a non-greasy moisturizer that smells great and works well on crepey skin. Skip this one if you're super sensitive to strong fragrances. For the quality and results, it's a solid value for your money. Now, if the fragrance issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a more subtle scent. Product number 2, Nature Well Retinol Cream. Next up is the Nature Well Clinical Retinol Intense Moisture Cream, priced at $19.99. This one caught my attention because it's not just for your body but also for your face. If you're looking for a multi-use anti-aging cream that addresses fine lines and crepey skin, this is worth a serious look. This product features micro-encapsulated retinol, which means it releases gradually and is gentle on your skin. That's huge for those of you worried about irritation from retinol. It helps improve skin elasticity and firmness, two crucial factors when tackling crepey skin. Plus, its hydrating properties make it great for dry patches. With 4.5 stars from around 14,400 reviews, it's clear that many users appreciate its effectiveness. The non-greasy formula absorbs quickly, making it easy to add to your daily routine. Here's the thing though, retinol takes time to work. If you're patient and consistent, you might find it beneficial over the long haul. It's a solid investment for your skin. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an all-in-one product that tackles numerous skin concerns. Skip this one if you want instant results or have very sensitive skin, as retinol can be irritating initially. For the price and the results it offers, it's worth it. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one might actually be even better for those who want something a bit richer. Product number 3, Medix 5.5 Retinol Lotion. The third product is the Medix 5.5 Retinol Body Lotion, also priced at $19.99. This one really stood out because it's specifically designed for crepey skin. If you want a lotion that visibly smooths out aging skin, this is worth a serious look. This lotion is infused with retinol, which helps replenish moisture and soften the look of wrinkles and fine lines. It also includes nourishing ingredients like ferulic acid and vitamin E, which work together to improve your skin's texture and tone. With a solid rating of 4.3 stars from over 18,300 reviews, it's clear that many users are satisfied with their results. The rich, creamy formula leaves your skin feeling hydrated and revitalized without that greasy finish. Ideal for daily use. Now, some folks pointed out that it can take a while to fully absorb. Here's my take: if you apply it right after a shower, that extra time can be worth the added hydration, especially for dry, crepey skin. You just have to be mindful of how much you're using. This is perfect for you if you want a rich moisturizer that focuses on crepey skin and aging. Skip this one if you're in a rush or dislike lotions that take time to absorb. For the price point, it offers great value. Now, if you're looking for a more affordable option, the next product might catch your interest. Product number 4, Olay Firming Lotion. Next is the Olay Body Lotion for women, priced at a budget-friendly $9.99. I was drawn to this one because it claims to visibly improve firmness. If you're after a lotion that hydrates while firming up your skin, this is worth a serious look. This lotion boasts ingredients like collagen peptides and niacinamide, which penetrate deep into the skin to improve its elasticity. That's crucial for tackling crepey skin. With 4.6 stars from about 12,600 reviews, many users have noted they saw improvements in their skin's resilience within just 4 weeks. Plus, it absorbs quickly, leaving no greasy residue behind, perfect for those busy mornings. Now, some users did find the scent to be a bit too light for their preference. But here's the thing. If you're someone who prefers a subtle, non-overpowering scent, this might work perfectly for you. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly option that hydrates and firms skin. Skip this one if you prefer stronger fragrances or are expecting dramatic results overnight. For the quality at this price point, it's an excellent choice. Alright, that was a solid option. But the last product on my list takes a different approach to moisture. Product number 5, Jergens Firming Lotion. Finally, we have the Jergens Skin Firming Body Lotion for $7.47. This caught my attention because it's a well-known brand with a solid reputation. If you want a deeply moisturizing lotion that tightens and tones, this is worth a serious look. Formulated with collagen and elastin, this lotion targets dryness while also improving your skin's tone and texture. Users love that they can feel a difference after just one use. With a rating of 4.6 stars from around 11,300 reviews, it's clear that many find it effective. The Hydrolucence blend promises long-lasting hydration, making it a great fit for daily use. Now, some people mention that they didn't see dramatic changes in skin firmness right away. Here's my perspective. While it may not provide instant results, the hydration it offers can still improve the overall appearance of your skin over time. This is perfect for you if you need an affordable lotion that hydrates and firms without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for something that offers overnight results. For the price, it's a fantastic value. So if you're trying to smooth out crepey skin, these 5 products offer various options to fit your needs and budget. To wrap it up, we've explored 5 great body lotions for crepey skin. The Hemp's Age Defy for lightweight hydration, Nature Wells Retinol Cream for an all-in-one solution, Medix 5.5 for rich moisture, Olay for budget-friendly firmness, and Jergens for deep hydration on a budget. Each has its strengths, catering to different preferences and needs. Choose the one that resonates with you and say goodbye to crepey skin.